Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to HumbleFx. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are making money on the market. All right, today I'm going to be talking about the ICT full class mentorship. All right, before now I'm getting some messages on some they're asking me if I have the ICT class and all that. So, and I decided to bring it to the public. So if you want to get the ICT mentorship class, you can send me that message and I will give it to you. I have the full concept, or the full tutorial, rather the full mentorship, complete mentorship on the ICT concept. So if you want to start trading like the bank, you want to know how the market moves, you want to understand the order block, you want to understand breakers, you want to understand institutional candles, you want to understand supply and demand, you want to understand the OT, you understand so many things that make up the market. Then you want to trade differently, you want to trade with a different mindset, a different view of the market. You want to know how the market moves and order. I want to get sniper entries. Then this course is actually for you. All right, before I go for that place, this is my new strategy. It will drop very soon, though not in this video. This strategy works like wonders. It's also for scalping. So at this point now, I should be taking entry. At this point right now, I should be having an entry position to take. It's just a moment for the entry to meet up and I will take it. So guys, anticipate. Look at entry here. We got an entry. We got an entry there. So guys, anticipate for this strategy. See another entry here. That we got it. Simple as that, guys. Another entry here. You see that this one is very accurate. Very accurate. So you want to get this strategy. Click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell notification so I get notified once I upload a new video, and you're going to see it first, right? So every time I upload video, you will be the one to view them. All right guys, these are the awesome strategies that will be dropping very soon in this channel, so you don't want to miss out. So you can also join my Telegram channel to get free signals and the free information and updates and all that. Is very free. Check on the video the description. You will send a link to my Telegram channel. You can join over there and get our free signals and other information for there as free. All right, let me show you the mentorship class so that you don't where is that? Where do I have it? All right, yeah, this is the mentorship class. This is ICT mentorship class. Okay, so this is very awesome. If I open it, you see it has months. Each month has tutorials on them, and it is 12 months class. All right, so you get the full class. This is not a halfway class. It is a full mentorship. This is not a class, it's a mentorship from the first month to the last month of the year. But that does not mean you have to study it for the 1 year. No, this is just this is already a video being done. All right, so because you are not following it live, you can watch the video at your pace and practice while you watch. It's and you can ask me a question where you get confused, and on the tutorial you can ask me a question and I'll be glad to attend to you. That is support that I will give to you. Once you get it from me, I'm going to assist you in answering some questions that you may not understand when watching the mentorship classes. All right, this is very awesome that you have the full class, and then that is all what you need to succeed. If you get this class, I bet you have gotten what you need to succeed. So how do you get this video? You can check on the video description and get the link to my channel, my Telegram profile, or my WhatsApp. All right, you may want to know if it is free or not. No, it's not free. You will say that you can get this. You can get the videos as free from somewhere, and I bet you won't get it free anywhere. You can only get some parts of it which is not complete, and you having a half information is just like having none. So you want to get the full class, everything is complete, then you have to get it from here, and I'm giving it out at 80% discount. All right, you know, this class, this ICT mentorship, if you want to buy it from the original owner of this class, you're going to pay up to 1,000. Yeah, but here I'm going to give it to you at 80% discount. So you're not even going to pay up to $100 for this strategy. You're not even going to pay up to $40 for this for this class, this mentorship videos. So how much do you think you will pay? Don't worry, come over to the DM my profile and you'll be shocked how little what you're going to pay will be. And this is just because I want to help you also make money in the financial market. I want you also to succeed. I want you to know what you need to know, because if you don't know what you need to know, then you are not actually going to make it happen. So I want you to know what you need to know so that you can trade independently and all that. Simple as that. It's not something that play with. I bet you if you can calm down and go through these videos that is here one after the other consistently and practicing them as it is taught until you finish these things, there is no way you are not going to make massive profit. There is no way you're not going to have a change or a shift on your trading style. There is no way you will not have a shift on your trading style. All right, because this is what we have been using to trade the financial market. Is not normal retail technical analysis. This is ICT concept that the smart money traders use to manipulate the market and all that. So if you know this strategy, you can actually dictate manipulations and all that. All right, guys, that is it, guys. So if you want to get that, it is very, very, very affordable. Check on my video description and you will get the link to my profile and all that. So let me show you over to the channel. If you can join my Telegram channel and start getting some awesome trades right here. You can start getting some awesome trades right in this place. I will take our entries right here. Look at that. We'll take entries in this place, so you can actually get to be getting these free trades right from this place and learning from us for free. Just click on the link on the video and you get yourself right here. You join this place and start making massive profits. Massive profit, guys. All right, that is just simple and easy way to earn money on the market. Join there. Also, you can get the VIP signal. The VIP is also available. Yeah, the VIP is also available. All right, guys, we do not now look at the entry, guys. We now get the pure entry for this market. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at that here. You see here right now is an entry position for me to take on this boom 1000 indices. That is awesome strategy. Yes, you can take that entry and make massive profits. I repeat, you're going to make crazy massive profits with that. Very simple as that, guys. So guys, don't miss that opportunity to get that video. If you miss the opportunity, it is you have yourself to blame, because that is actually what you cannot get elsewhere at the price I'm going to give it to you guys. All right, guys, see you in the next video and stay tuned to get this strategy. Thank you and enjoy.